Hello everyone and welcome to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Okay guys, today I am making a super fast meal for you. I have back here on my stove a pot of boiling water and I'm going to be cooking some linguine pasta. And in the amount of time that it takes to cook that pasta, this dish is going to come together. So like I said, it's super fast. And what I'm making is a shrimp scampi. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. Buttery, garlicky shrimp tossed in a delicious linguine. You can't beat it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that little notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload new delicious recipes. And now let me go over all the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious shrimp scampi. Okay, so I am using 1 pound of raw, deveined, and shelled shrimp. Now these were frozen. I just let them thaw. And 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 garlic cloves, a half of a cup of white wine, but you can use chicken broth if you prefer, and then the juice of a lemon, some fresh parsley, red pepper flakes, and then salt and pepper. Okay, so today I am serving my shrimp scampi over linguine, but you could use whatever pasta that you wanted. You could even serve this over rice, or a low-carb version would be to serve it over some cauliflower rice, or just by itself with maybe a side salad. So my pot of boiling water here, I am going to salt my water generously. Okay, so like I said, in the amount of time that it takes to cook this pasta, this shrimp scampi is going to come together. Are y'all ready? Set, go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my oil to a large skillet and 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to mince my garlic. Now be careful when you're cooking your garlic. You don't want it to burn, so make sure that your heat is on a medium to low heat. And then I'm just going to add my shrimp. And I'm going to go ahead and add some salt and some black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of the red pepper flakes. And this is purely up to you, however much you want, depending on how spicy you want your shrimp scampi to be. And these literally only take a couple minutes on each side until they're completely pink all the way through. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add my white wine. And I'm going to juice a lemon, using this strainer here to catch any seeds. All right, I'm just going to let this cook until that liquid reduces slightly. I'm going to taste this pasta to see if it's done. My pasta is done. My scampi is done, so I'm going to drain this pasta and add it to my shrimp scampi. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to add my linguine to my shrimp. And then I'm going to add the other 2 tablespoons of butter and then the fresh parsley that I chopped, and it's about a half of a cup. Okay, and there you have it, delicious shrimp scampi. And it only took me 15 minutes maybe. And just to make it pretty, I like to add some lemon slices all around. Okay, and you guys know what time it is. It is time for me to sample some of this delicious shrimp scampi. That is so good. Buttery, garlicky, has a little kick of from the red pepper flake. so flavorful. Okay, and thank you all so much for watching. And if you're a shrimp lover, you're definitely going to want to give this one a try. But I will see you soon with more recipes.